Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a VW Atlas tail light. First, open your vehicle's rear hatch to gain access to the tail light assembly. Next, locate the small access cover on the inside panel near the tail light. Use a plastic trim removal tool to gently pry this cover off, revealing the electrical connector and a large wing nut. This simple process makes replacing a damaged light or accessing bulbs much easier. Before you begin, make sure your VW Atlas is parked on a level surface and the ignition is completely off. The primary tool you'll need is a plastic trim removal tool, which helps prevent scratches to your vehicle's interior. You won't typically need any complex wrenches or sockets, as the main fastener for the tail light housing is a hand-tightened wing nut. This makes the job quite straightforward. Once the access cover is off, you'll see the electrical connector. First, gently pry up the small red locking tab on the connector. Then, press the main tab and carefully wiggle the connector to pull it free from the tail light housing. Next, locate the large white wing nut. Turn this wing nut counterclockwise as far as it will go. It won't come completely off. This action loosens the tail light assembly. To reinstall, simply align the tail light housing with its opening and push it firmly back into position. Once seated, reach inside and turn the wing nut clockwise until it is hand-tight and secure. Reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring the red locking tab clicks into place. Finally, snap the interior access cover back on. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Test your lights to confirm everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.